Is SieleoTech the future of tech in Nairobi? I was on a journey to dive deep into the possibilities and challenges of launching a tech company in the heart of Kenya. SieleoTech, a registered entity in Nairobi, stands poised to enter the most vibrant tech ecosystem in Africa. But what does it really take to not just survive but thrive into this competitive landscape? Let's find out. Feasibility studies are crucial for understanding customer needs and identifying the gaps that SieleoTech aims to fill. Nairobi, often called Silicon Savannah for its tech startups, offers a dynamic environment. For SieleoTech, integrating into these communities could be key to unlocking potential partnership and tapping into shared knowledge. It's not all about the environment or the community though. Kenya has its unique set of laws and regulations governing tech companies. Understanding and navigating these from the get-go is essential for smooth operation and future expansion. In conclusion, could SieleoTech be the future of tech in Nairobi? Well, with the right strategy, deep understanding of the market, and a commitment to innovation, it certainly has the potential. As Nairobi continues to rise as a tech powerhouse, SieleoTech could just be the next big thing to watch out for.